Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to play Roblox on Nintendo Switch. Alright, let's begin. First, turn on your Nintendo Switch and open System Settings from the home screen. From the left menu, scroll down and select Internet, then tap on Internet Settings. This will load all available Wi-Fi networks. Select the Wi-Fi network you are currently using and choose Change Settings. Next, scroll down to DNS settings and change it from automatic to manual. Now, select Primary DNS and enter the following numbers carefully: 045.055.142.122. After entering the DNS, press Confirm and then select Save. Once the settings are saved, choose Connect to this network. You may see a message saying there is no internet access, which is normal. Click Next and wait a moment for the page to load. When prompted, select Continue to Google. A browser window will open. Use Google to search for Roblox and open the official Roblox website. Once the site loads, you can log into your account and start playing Roblox through the browser on your Nintendo Switch. So that's basically how you can play Roblox on Nintendo Switch. That's it for this video. Thanks.